Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation about going to the dentist. In this video, you will follow a simple and realistic story between two friends, Sam and Mina. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What time is Mina's dentist appointment? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Let's begin.
Oh, Sam, over here.
Hey, Mina. Sorry I'm a little late. The train was really crowded this morning.
No problem at all. I just got here a few minutes ago.
Oh, good. Have you ordered anything yet?
Yes, I already ordered a hot coffee. It's a little cold outside today.
Yeah, it is. I think I'll get a coffee too. I really need one today.
Didn't you sleep well last night?
Not really. I was watching a movie, and it finished really late. I think I went to bed around 2 in the morning.
2 in the morning? That's so late. What movie were you watching?
An old action movie from the 90s. It was pretty good, so I couldn't stop watching.
That happens to me sometimes too. So, do you have any plans for today?
Not really. I was thinking about going to the bookstore later. How about you? What are your plans for today?
Well, I have a dentist appointment today.
Oh, really? What time is your appointment?
At 11:30, so I still have about an hour.
Is the dentist near here?
Yes, it's about a 10-minute walk from this cafe.
Oh, that's really close. Do you want me to come with you? I have nothing to do this morning.
Really? Are you sure? You don't have to.
Of course. I'm happy to go with you. We can have lunch together after that.
That sounds really nice. Thank you, Sam. That makes me feel a lot better.
So, is this just a regular checkup, or is something wrong with your teeth?
No, nothing is wrong. It's just a regular checkup and cleaning. But honestly, I'm a little nervous about it.
Are you scared of the dentist?
Well, I'm not really scared, but I don't like it very much. The sound of the tools makes me uncomfortable, and I don't like sitting in that chair for a long time.
I understand that feeling. A lot of people feel the same way about dentists.
What about you? Do you like going to the dentist?
Nobody really likes going to the dentist, but I try to go every 6 months for a checkup. I think it's important to take care of your teeth.
Every 6 months? Wow, that's a really good habit.
Well, I wasn't always like this. A few years ago, I didn't go to the dentist for almost 2 years. Then, I got a really bad toothache. It was terrible.
Oh no, that sounds really painful.
It was very painful. I couldn't eat anything for 3 days. After that, I decided to go to the dentist regularly. A simple checkup is so much easier. It's quick, and it doesn't hurt at all.
3 days? That's awful. Okay, you're making me feel better about going.
Good. Don't worry. It's just a checkup. You'll be done very quickly.
You're right. I'll try to relax and not think about it too much.
That's good. Oh, what time is it now?
It's almost 11. We should probably start walking soon so we're not late.
Good idea. Let me just finish the last bit of my coffee.
Sure, take your time. We still have a few minutes.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's go.
Hello. I have an appointment at 11:30.
Hello, welcome. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Mina Tanaka.
Mina Tanaka. Let me check. Yes, I can see your appointment here. 11:30 for a checkup and cleaning. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Have you been to this clinic before?
Yes, I came here about a year ago for a checkup.
I see. Thank you. Do you have your insurance card with you today?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you very much. I'll just make a copy of this. Is there anything bothering you today? Any tooth pain or other problems?
No, I don't have any pain. I'm just here for a regular checkup and cleaning.
Okay, perfect. Please have a seat in the waiting area. The doctor will see you very soon. You won't have to wait long.
Thank you very much. Oh, one more question. How long does the checkup usually take?
Usually about 30 minutes for a checkup and cleaning together. It depends on the situation, but it's usually quite quick.
Oh, that's not long at all. That's good to know.
Not long at all. Please don't worry. Our doctors are very kind and gentle. You'll be fine.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
You're welcome. Please have a seat and relax. We'll call your name when the doctor is ready.
Hey, you're done? How did it go?
It was totally fine, much better than I expected.
See? I told you there was nothing to worry about.
You were right. The dentist was really nice and very gentle. She explained everything before she did it, so I wasn't nervous at all.
That's really good. It really helps when the dentist is kind. So, were there any problems with your teeth?
No, not really. She said my teeth look pretty healthy, but she told me I should brush more carefully near my back teeth.
That's really common advice. I get told that almost every time, too. The back teeth are hard to reach.
She also told me I should use floss every day. She said flossing is just as important as brushing.
That's true. Do you usually use floss?
Honestly, only sometimes, maybe 2 or 3 times a week, but not every day.
I started using floss every night about a year ago. It really helps keep my teeth clean. My dentist said my teeth were much better after I started.
Really? Okay, then I'll make sure to start doing it every day from tonight.
How about the cleaning? Did that go well?
Yes, it was great. My teeth feel so clean and smooth now. I love this feeling after a cleaning.
See? Going to the dentist isn't so bad after all, right?
You're right. I feel so much better now. I'm really glad I went today.
When is your next appointment?
The dentist said I should come back in 6 months for another checkup.
That's good. If you keep going regularly, you won't have any problems.
You're right. I think I was worrying too much about it.
That happens to everyone sometimes. The important thing is that you went.
So, are you hungry? It's almost lunchtime now.
Yes, a little bit. But I just had my teeth cleaned, so I want to eat something light. I don't want to eat anything too heavy right now.
That makes sense.
How about that cafe across the street? I think they have salads, sandwiches, and soup.
Oh, I know that place. I've been there before. They have really good soup. The tomato soup is my favorite.
That sounds perfect. Let's go there then.
What are you going to order?
I'm pretty hungry. I think I'll have a chicken sandwich and maybe some soup too. What about you?
I think I'll have a salad, something fresh and light. Maybe the green salad with the lemon dressing.
Good choice. Do you want to share some bread with me too?
Sure, that sounds nice. I always like their bread here.
Oh, look, they also have fresh juice. They have orange, apple, and I think mango too. Do you want to try one?
Mango juice sounds really good. I'll try that one.
Great. I'll have the orange juice. Okay, let's order.
This is really nice. It feels so good to sit here and relax after the dentist.
I'm glad you're feeling relaxed now. You were so worried this morning.
I know. I was worrying too much. Oh, this salad is really fresh and delicious.
My sandwich is great too. I really like this place. We should come here more often.
I agree. The food is always good here, and it's really calm and quiet too.
And the prices are not too expensive either. That's hard to find these days.
That's true. A lot of cafes are so expensive now, but this one is different. Good food, nice place, and good prices.
Exactly. Okay, I think I'm almost done. How about you?
Me too. Should we go for a walk? The weather is so nice outside.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's go.
That was such a good lunch. I feel great.
Yeah, it really was. Are you feeling completely better about the dentist now?
Yes, much better. I was so worried this morning, but everything turned out perfectly fine.
You always worry too much. But I'm glad everything went well.
I know. But you know what? I'm really glad you came with me today. If I were by myself, I think I would have been so much more nervous.
Of course, that's what friends do. I'm always happy to help.
It's such a beautiful day today, isn't it? The weather is perfect for walking like this.
It really is. Not too hot, not too cold. I love days like this. This is my favorite kind of weather.
Me too. Oh, look at those flowers over there. They're so pretty. I think they're starting to open.
Yeah, they're beautiful. Spring is my favorite season because of all the flowers and the warm weather.
Mine too. I especially love seeing all the cherry blossoms. They make everything look so beautiful.
Have you been to see any cherry blossoms this year?
Not yet, but I really want to go soon. Maybe next weekend? The flowers should be at their best by then.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. We should go together.
I'd love that. Let's find a really nice park with lots of cherry blossom trees.
Deal. I'll look up some good places this week and send you some ideas.
That would be great. We should bring some snacks and drinks too, like a little picnic under the cherry blossom trees.
A picnic sounds amazing. I love that idea. I can bring some sandwiches.
And I'll bring some rice balls and some tea. It'll be so much fun.
I can't wait. This is going to be a really great weekend.
I'm already looking forward to it.
Well, this is my station. I go this way.
Already? Time went by so fast today. I had a really wonderful time.
Me too. I had a great time, and I'm really glad your dentist visit went so well.
It's all thanks to you. I felt so much more relaxed because you were with me today. I don't think I could have done it alone.
Of course you could have. You're braver than you think. But I'm happy I could be there for you.
Thank you for saying that. Today was really a great day. Good coffee in the morning, then the dentist, and a nice lunch together.
It was a perfect day. Simple, but really nice.
I agree. We should do this more often. Not the dentist part, but the fun part.
Agreed.
If you ever need someone to go with you to the dentist again, or anywhere else, just let me know.
I will, thank you. Oh, and please don't forget about our cherry blossom plan for next weekend.
Don't worry, I won't forget. I'll send you a message this week with some ideas for where to go.
Sounds good. I'm really looking forward to it. I hope the weather will be nice.
I'm sure it will be. Okay, I should really go now. Have a wonderful evening, Mina.
You too, Sam. And get some good sleep tonight, okay? No more late-night movies.
I'll do my best, but honestly, no promises.
You never change. Okay, bye, Sam. See you next weekend.
Bye, Mina. Take care, and don't forget to floss tonight.
I won't forget, I promise. Have a good night. Bye.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask you the question again. What time is Mina's dentist appointment? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Practicing English output like this will help you improve faster. On this channel, I share slow and easy English conversations for beginners. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you'd like to support the channel, please consider joining. All right, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye!